we have to see why it failed, probably. Sliding check CD pipeline. Now you can see Kubernetes manifest file. So this we have to fix the pipeline issue. So we have to error the log duplicate mapping key at line 11 column 3. Okay, so we have to go to our file here. So they are saying duplicate mapping key. It means there might be duplicate entry are there in the YAML file. So it's line number 13 and 3 and 13 both are the same. So if you go under 3 and 13, so here you can see under the specification we have defined the replica 6, right? But in the number 13 again I have to define the replica 2. Okay, so we have to delete. So we have to delete to the Visual Studio. So go here. Save it. Now we have changes, and then we have to save this file, and then we have to run from here like git add and git commit. So first we have to see the status, git status, and git add, git commit -m replica change, and git push. White fail. Okay, because we have authentication, we have to first pull git pull, because we have created the pipeline. Git pull. So now you can see a pipeline has been added here. And now we have to do some changes. I'm going to do some changes for, and we have already specified. Let's save it, and then we have to do git add, git status. First we have to check, yeah, logging the then we have to run git commit, then we have to do git push. Let's see our pipeline has been triggered or not. So now you can see my pipeline has been triggered, cd dev, and you have to go there, you have to go to jobs. So see your deployment Tomcat has been created in the logs. So now your manifest has been created. Let's see here status. kubectl get pod -n Tomcat. Now you can see last 41 seconds this pod has been deployed, and let's see the status of the pipeline. Now the pipeline job has been completed, and if you want to see the steps like how it works, you can see here Tomcat deployment has been deployed. And so you can see, yeah, like I have did some changes in directly in the Visual Studio Code, and automatic my pipeline has been triggered. And you can see we have, this is my pipeline code, this is my pipeline file, and like suppose if you do some changes here, like you have to make a replica 0, right? And then you have to save it. Then again you have to do git status, we have to do git add, you have to do git commit, you have to do, then you have to push your code. So let's see. So your pipeline will be triggered. Go to pipeline, go to project pipeline, then you have to see replica changes, go to jobs, and it means they are going to delete the pods. Let's see here. Now you can see no resource found. So I have made the replica 0, that's why there is no resource found. And if you see here, get all. So deployment already created. We have some changes in the code through the Visual Studio Code. We have made the replica 0. So now you can see my pod has been deleted and it make replica 0. And you can see here the pipeline also triggered, and the job has been successfully run. So in this way you can do the CD pipeline. This is the release pipeline, and we can add more troubleshooting scenario case in this pipeline. Okay, so this is the warning like they didn't find this pod. And you can see the jobs. If you want to see the logs of the pipeline, you can click on it, click on the logs button. Here is the option view raw logs. So if your pipeline failed, then you can see the logs of the pipeline why it failed. So I think we have already one pipeline failed. Yeah, this pipeline failed. So we have to go to jobs, and we have to open view raw logs. So in the logs you can see it here. Yeah, here you can see the errors. If you can also control if error. So in the real-time environment you have 1000 or 2000 lines of the log, so you can filter by using the keyword like error or info or anything, like you can search it from here. or the fast resolution, you have to filter with the keyword, and you can find like what's the error, why this pipeline has been failed, what is the error. So you can see here the duplicate mapping, line number 13. So we have to go to the repo and we have to check like what's the duplicate mapping. Okay,